Are you looking to take your passive income to the next level? Look no further. In this highly informative and engaging video, we unveil a treasure trove of business growth tips and tricks specifically designed to maximize your passive income. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an experienced business owner, our expert insights will provide you with invaluable strategies to skyrocket your earnings. Join us as we delve into the world of passive income and explore various proven methods to supercharge your business growth. We'll reveal the power of diversifying your income streams and show you how to identify and capitalize on lucrative opportunities in your niche. Discover the art of leveraging automation and outsourcing to free up your time and scale your business effortlessly. But that's not all. We'll also guide you through the process of optimizing your existing assets to generate passive income streams you may have never considered. From real estate investments and dividend stocks to digital products and affiliate marketing, we'll uncover hidden gems that can significantly boost your revenue. Fundamental pillars that every successful business should embody: scalability, consistency, and value. Join us as we explore how these crucial elements can drive growth, ensure sustainability, and establish a strong foundation for long-term success. Scalability is the key to expanding your business beyond limits. Strategies and frameworks that empower you to effectively scale your operations, reach new markets, and amplify your impact. Discover how to leverage technology, automation, and streamline processes to create a scalable business model that can withstand exponential growth. Consistency is the backbone of any thriving enterprise. We'll share invaluable insights on how to establish reliable systems and processes that ensure consistent delivery of products or services. Learn how to build trust with your audience, exceed customer expectations, and foster loyalty by consistently delivering value at every touchpoint. Value is the currency that drives customer satisfaction and loyalty. We'll explore the concept of value creation and demonstrate how to identify and meet the needs of your target market. Uncover innovative ways to differentiate yourself from competitors, cultivate meaningful relationships with customers, and provide solutions that truly resonate with their desires. 1. Scalability. Scalability refers to the ability of a business or system to handle increased workload, growth, or demand without sacrificing performance or quality. In essence, it's the capacity of a business to adapt and expand in order to accommodate higher levels of activity or a larger customer base. When a business is scalable, it has the ability to grow and handle increased demands without experiencing significant disruptions or resource limitations. This can apply to various aspects of a business, including its operations, processes, infrastructure, and technology. Scalability is crucial because it allows businesses to capitalize on opportunities for growth and maintain a competitive edge. It enables them to meet the needs of a growing customer base, take advantage of market trends, and explore new markets or product/service offerings. By scaling effectively, businesses can achieve higher revenue, profitability, and market share. Achieving scalability often requires careful planning, design, and implementation. It involves anticipating future growth, designing systems and processes that can handle increased demands, and regularly monitoring and optimizing performance to ensure scalability is maintained. In summary, scalability is a critical characteristic of successful businesses. By building scalable systems and processes, businesses can adapt, expand, and thrive in the face of growth and increasing customer demands, ultimately contributing to long-term success and sustainability. 2. Consistency. Consistency refers to the act of reliably delivering the same level of quality, performance, or experience over time. In the context of business, consistency is about maintaining a standard or level of excellence in all aspects of operations, customer interactions, and brand representation. Consistency is a crucial element in building trust and credibility with customers. When a business consistently delivers on its promises and maintains a high level of quality in its products or services, customers develop confidence in its reliability. Consistency helps establish a positive reputation and fosters customer loyalty, as people know what to expect and trust that their needs will be consistently met. Consistency should also be reflected in a business's branding and messaging. By maintaining a consistent brand image, tone of voice, and visual identity across different platforms and channels, businesses can reinforce their values, establish recognition, and create a cohesive and memorable brand experience. In summary, consistency is a vital aspect of business success. By consistently delivering quality products or services, maintaining a high standard of customer experience, and upholding a consistent brand identity, businesses can build trust, foster loyalty, and differentiate themselves in the marketplace. 3. Value. Value, in the context of business, refers to the perceived benefits and worth that customers derive from a product, service, or experience. It is the satisfaction or utility that customers believe they receive in relation to the price they pay. Value is a fundamental concept because it is the primary driver of customer decision-making. Customers seek products or services that offer them the most value for their money. It is important to note that value is subjective and can vary among different customer segments or individuals. To create value, businesses need to understand and meet the needs, desires, and expectations of their target customers. This involves identifying the key benefits and outcomes that customers are seeking and then designing products or services that deliver those benefits effectively. Customer service. Providing excellent customer service and support can contribute to the overall value perceived by customers. Prompt responses, personalized assistance, and problem-solving capabilities can enhance the customer experience and increase value. Differentiation. Creating unique features, innovations, or advantages that set a product or service apart from competitors can increase its perceived value. Differentiation can be achieved through superior quality, customization options, or unique selling propositions. Effective communication of value is crucial. Businesses should clearly communicate the benefits and advantages of their products or services to customers through marketing messages, product descriptions, and customer testimonials. This helps customers understand the value proposition and makes informed purchasing decisions. Continuously delivering value is key to building customer loyalty and maintaining a competitive edge. Businesses should regularly evaluate and enhance their offerings to ensure that they remain relevant, address evolving customer needs, and provide ongoing value. In conclusion, scalability, consistency, and value are the three pillars that every successful business should embrace. By focusing on these core principles, you can lay a solid foundation for growth, establish a trusted brand, and meet the evolving needs of your customers. Scalability enables you to adapt and expand as your business grows, ensuring that you can handle increased demand without compromising quality or performance. Consistency builds trust, fosters customer loyalty, and sets the stage for long-term success by delivering reliable experiences and maintaining high standards across all touchpoints. Value is the key to satisfying customer needs and differentiating yourself from competitors. By understanding what your customers truly value and consistently delivering products or services that meet or exceed their expectations, you can forge strong connections and cultivate a loyal customer base. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your business journey, make scalability, consistency, and value your guiding principles. Embrace the power of growth, reliability, and customer centricity to achieve your goals and drive sustainable success. Thank you for joining us today and investing your time in learning about these essential elements of business growth. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and actionable strategies that you can implement in your own entrepreneurial endeavors. The journey towards building a successful business is ongoing. Stay committed, stay innovative, and stay true to these principles. Together, let's create businesses that thrive, make a positive impact, and shape a better future. Wishing you all the best on your path to entrepreneurial success. Now go out there and build remarkable businesses that embody scalability, consistency, and value.